What's this?
Okay, this is something you found at the back of the fermentation fridge, and you can see this is still very dusty. It was sitting around for a while. The label says 6th of August, but I have no idea which year this is from. I think this is pre-pandemic.
Oh gosh.
And this is basically pomelo peel, fermented with sugar and koji, and you can see the koji bits at the bottom and like in between there. It looks like it's lost some moisture, evaporation and stuff. I remember when I made this, I don't think I put in enough sugar, so this is still quite bitter. I haven't tasted it, but maybe I should. The lid has started rusting, but it's not too bad. I'll throw this out and replace the lid. This is why I always need lids. Save lids for me, please.
Okay, got it. Smells a little bit like alcohol.
Yeah, smells a little bit like alcohol. It smells like a really intense citrus. It smells good.
Smells good, but
Smells good, but I think it will taste a little bit too bitter, if I remember correctly.
So what was the initial idea behind fermenting these things?
So these pomelo peel are something that the Thai do really well with. They candy them, and it's got this intent. They also color them like a bright green, which is quite disgusting, but I like the flavor of candied pomelo peel. And this is something I used to buy from Bangkok and bring back. But this one, let me taste it. Oops. It's not bad actually. It's not too bitter. Also because the pith of the pomelo is actually quite neutral. Like this would make if you added more sugar to this, like a simple syrup, it would make a great base for a cocktail. Do you want to taste one?
Okay.
It's the least you can do for making me do this video.
Which we will all be thankful for.
It's pretty good actually. It's quite intense.
Oh my gosh, it is very intense.
It's very good. Do you want some? No, you can't have any.
Not expect that.
What were you expecting?
I guess because you said candied peel, I was expecting something a little bit more crunchy.
Sweet? Oh,
No,
crunchy.
crunchy. So this one has it has texture on the rind, but very soft on the inside.
Yeah, the pith. I've taken off the pith as much as possible. This also hasn't gone through the candied peel process because that's a lot of sugar. And this isn't as much. But I do think that the bitterness has mellowed a lot over time.
Yes, it is very. It's still bitter, but it's a very complex bitter.
Yeah,
it's not.
It's like how a Campari is bitter,
Yeah, exactly.
right? Yeah, it's a good bitterness.
Yeah.
I like this actually, and I really like how it's kind of evolved. I was expecting something a lot more bitter, and that's also why I kind of forgot about it and I haven't used it. But I'm very, very pleased with this.
Okay, next cocktail night.
Yeah, sounds like a good idea. Oh, this looks like it has some kombucha as well in there as a starter, but it didn't need one. Or maybe the liquid is kombucha. I have no idea. Okay, why are you face palming? It's like what is available at that point. I just throw it together.
Because it would be nice
To know, yes, I know that now. And also to put the date of the year, because this is definitely pre-pandemic situation.
Yeah, this could be like 7 years old.
No, I don't think it's that long. It's like maybe 4 years old. Like 2018 is what I'm thinking.
Hey, did you try the liquid?
No, I didn't.
Try.
It smells exactly like the... It's a bit more citrusy and a bit more bitter than the peel itself. I think what I would do is add in a little bit of sugar
Right now, at this stage.
at this stage to just take that edge off, the bitterness off. It'll just balance it a little bit, but it'll also, I want to see if like the stuff is active enough to process that sugar at this point. So
Will you leave it out or in the fridge?
I'll leave it out and see what happens.
Okay. Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned if I remember.